In the module Magnets, students learn about objects that attract other magnetic materials, such as iron or steel. This attractive force is called magnetism, a natural physical property that was first discovered by the ancient Greeks. Students learn the common characteristics magnets share. A magnet can attract magnetic materials. Each magnet is surrounded by an invisible force called its magnetic field, which can act on a magnetic object from a distance. Every magnet has two poles that are equal in strength. A magnet's force is strongest at its poles, and like poles repel and unlike poles attract, which is called the law of magnetic attraction. Students also become familiar with the two fundamental principles of electromagnetism. An electric current naturally produces a magnetic field, and an electric current can be produced in a wire by passing it through a magnetic field. The major difference between magnets and electromagnets is that the magnetism produced by an electromagnet can be turned on and off. An electromagnet is an example of a temporary magnet, a magnet that loses its magnetism when removed from a magnetic field. Likewise, any object that can be picked up by a magnet, such as a nail or a paperclip, is also a temporary magnet. A magnet that retains its magnetism after removal from a magnetic field is called a permanent magnet. Permanent magnets can occur naturally or can be created by exposing a magnetic material like steel to a very strong magnetic field. Students explore magnets with 12 hands-on activities and the Delta Science Reader. First, students discover the law of magnetic attraction and about the principles that govern magnetic behavior and interaction. They experiment with magnets of various sizes and shapes and discover which materials are attracted to magnets and which can block the passage of magnetic force. Students also demonstrate magnetic fields and polarity using iron filings and make compasses that align with Earth's magnetic poles. Students then model temporary magnetism and create an electromagnet. Finally, students watch a space shuttle video and consider the applications of magnets in our technological society. In the Delta Science Reader Magnets, students learn how magnets are made, how magnets can create electricity, what magnets are used for, and how Earth is like a magnet. Students are also introduced to Michael Faraday, the famous 19th century scientist who invented the electric motor and the electric generator, both of which use magnets. Finally, students learn about applications of magnets in magnetic resonance imaging and maglev trains.